Bro, I'm tired of this, honestly. I'm about to be 25 soon, and dog, I need to get this shit going. I want to get big as fuck. I want to maximize how big I can get naturally, dog. Right, I gotta prune these roses, but most importantly, I gotta talk to y'all, man. I want to take this YouTube shit serious now, and not only just like to make content, but for myself. Like, bro, I used to, let me tell you, do not fucking laugh, do not laugh, bro. Chill out, dog. My dad, he bought me journals when I was younger. I'm pretty sure it's just so they can see what I do in my day. But ever since then, ever since I was a kid, I kept up with it until I was like 12, 13, something like that. And then Loki just got lazy, you know, all that writing and shit, like, it's too much sometimes. So with that being said, I think this is a better way. I'm gonna just start recording it. I'm gonna record my day, and I wanna be dialed in, so might as well share. And then, you know, you're more forced to be dialed in. That's what I want, bro. I want to push the limits. Everyone's pushing nowadays their fucking steroid limit. They're just hopping on and shit. Bro, I want to push my body to the limit as fast as possible, naturally, real quick. I'm tired of that bullshit. And if you're real with it, if I'm real with it, you stick to it, you find every inch. You stop worrying about that strength shit. You stop worrying about that power shit, about your stamina. Sure, maybe if you got a cut. But bro, if you're about bodybuilding, you're gonna worry about how big you can get as fast as possible. So training only for hypertrophy, only tearing that muscle with the greatest tension you can get. Bro, eat, sleep, train, get big. That's it. I gotta prune these hoes. Man, to prune these roses, I gotta put alcohol in it, like, from every bush so they don't carry diseases or something like that. I don't know. This one is infected, dog. Why? Why you gotta be like that? This shit is DEAD 4 or 5. It's, man, if y'all are gardening out there and y'all need a little tip and y'all got roses, cut when there's 5 leaves on a thing, you know, like this one, it got 5, cut it there. That's where it is the most optimal for another rose to grow. And if you want a stronger one, go to the second one, dog, so it can give it more energy, you know? Everything works the same, bro. Step by step, brick by brick. All right. I went to the second one, so hopefully it comes out stronger. I'm gonna go grab a cup of water for these. Lol. And if you're wondering what's up with this gardening shit, bro, I started gardening like a few weeks before we went on vacation, so now it's been 3 months. I did all of this within 3 months. Back there is the morning glory with some random flowers. I forgot what they were, and I just planted them. And then I also got sweet potatoes growing. Like, check it out, dog. I'm doing some shit here. And sweet potatoes, you already know why. They're the purple ones. So a lot more antioxidants and potatoes, bro. Best thing for bodybuilding. Oh, I thought I saw some like snake or some shit. Best thing for bodybuilding, you know, carbs in general. Get your carbs in, rice, potato. If you're lacking on that, you won't get big. I'm just saying, it's not just about protein. Protein is one of the main keys, but you gotta get your carbs in too, dog. All right, got this cute ass little thing. Has like a rose sign on there, that's badass. Gonna put it in there. I'm gonna go add some water real quick. I'll be right back. Gotta count the leaves, bro, for the best potential and everything. I'm just playing. I don't know why I'm doing that. But for real though, you gotta make sure you cut the best one so you can get the best results. And I wanna implement that everywhere now, not just bodybuilding, because then it will lead to bodybuilding also getting the best results. Who am I to preach? And there's gonna be a big one that I take off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check it out. Check it out. Ooh. Probably tired of these damn roses, but she gonna love this one. Check out the leaves. Usually the trash ones, I usually just lay them in these little holes, in these brick holes. Like this, bro. Ah, shit, I forgot to rinse that bitch. Let me do it real quick. I'm gonna just cut it a little lower so, you know, if it did go in, it'll be good. I swear, bro, I'm not trying to give out blood right now. Chill out. Y'all freaking tripping. Y'all gonna die from this blood, trust me. Sometimes I just do this. I just leave him in there, as y'all can see. Probably a horrible angle, but whatever. Damn, this is a nice one too, dog. Check it out. Hey. We'll take it. And should I just be one of those, what's it called? Bouquet? Bouquet? No. Bloom bouquet? What are those called, dog? I just do it. These purple ones. They're so delicate, bro. I'm so late on these purple ones. Look. They're like so dry. So dry. The petals literally just fell off. Oh, and we got the pink ones. See, like, there's these coming right here, small ones. If I get rid of all these, the small ones will bloom nice and bright colors again. Because this ain't the color it should be. It should be peach, not pink. Ooh, the lilies are opening. I call them lilies because I think that's what these are. We got pink, red, and white right there. Those will open as it gets darker outside. The morning glory that needs to bloom. Sweet potatoes, some flower, I forgot what it was. And our wildflower section right here. It's going good pretty much. If y'all seen any of the other garden videos, check them out. I'll link them down below. Patience is key. This is gonna help with patience, bodybuilding patience, and then keep putting the effort. These are long-term things, bro. If you don't wanna do long-term, I suggest just hop on roids, bro. Just hop it on and then hop off. And then if you get some health problems, that's on you. Like, do you even know if you like this? I know I do. That's why I'm gonna go fully in on my natural potential. I think the people who are actually fully in would do that, but I also get the other side sometimes. Not most times, sometimes. Anyway, finish off. Damn, little Loki came out live. Look at that. That's crazy, dog. But nah, for real, look, gardening is chill, bro. It's helping me a lot. Step by step, you realize everything step by step. And plus, if you have a girl or you don't, shoot, bro, you do this. One, this didn't cost me $50 from the store. And I can easily go to my girl and be like, for you, my girl, for you. Again, I don't know why I'm talking like that, but you can easily do that, bro, and easily win some points. That's crazy though, bro. I grew these. It is a skill though, bro. Don't get me wrong. You gotta work on it. I already did my research. Can't wait for the morning glory to grow. It's been like 3 months already, and low key, the morning glory and the lily, whatever I showed you, sweet potatoes, like I said, I did those before I left. And I have a video right here. If you want to watch me creating a sweet potato box, you don't know how to create one, check it out. You can watch it and do it with me. And then I also show y'all when I plant these things actually. So if you're interested in gardening, I'll be posting those too, bro. Check it out. But let's get back to our main goal, bodybuilding. Time to go get this workout. I'll see y'all there.